Welcome to another episode of Lying Down. I'm Gail Towle with Ames Solder, and today I'm answering a question from Annika, who writes, we've been having repeated issues with bridging in our solder printing process. This is especially problematic in our dense PCB layouts. Can you help? Thanks, Annika. Bridging happens when unintended solder connections form between adjacent pads, potentially creating a short. Unsurprisingly, the denser the board, the more likely this is to happen. The good news is it can usually be resolved with some careful troubleshooting. First, bridges may form during the printing process itself for several reasons. One cause is excessive paste deposition, resulting in overflow connecting adjacent pads. If you think this is the issue, try adjusting the squeegee pressure or adjusting the stencil design to reduce aperture size or thickness. Another cause is slump. If the paste's viscosity is too low, it may not hold its form after printing. Now, this low viscosity may be caused by the paste itself not meeting specifications, but viscosity may also decrease as a result of excessive shear forces from the squeegee. If you think this might be the case, try lowering the print speed. If that fails, try using fresh paste. Bridging can also happen during component placement if there are inconsistent or uneven forces. If you think this is where your problem is occurring, try adjusting part placement pressure and alignment and ensure proper board support. Finally, bridging may occur during reflow as a result of paste deposits settling or spreading out. If this is the case, optimize the reflow profile settings to ensure complete and uniform melting of the paste. In particular, consider shortening the ramp-up time or changing the profile type. If you try all of these suggestions and are still having issues with bridging, don't hesitate to reach out. AIM technical support engineers are always more than happy to help. Until next time.